Welcome to my channel again. Today we are going to plant the sugar cane in my garden, and I want to take you through the way of planting it. So I'm going to do it in two ways. One way is that I'm going to plant the whole thing on the garden, and the other thing is I'm going to cut it in two pieces. These are the notch which is the tree is growing from. So I'm going to cut it from the center. This way. So we have got two parts, which is we are going to plant it in the garden. I will cut the extra. And we'll see which one is have got a notch. That one we'll plant, because there is no notch here. So we'll cut it. So we are going now to lay down the pieces of the sugar cane, which is we cut it. Some of them are full like this. And then we have to give it water.